Concerning the variable nouns, which I have two forms, one is singular and the other is plural. Variable nouns have two forms, singular and plural. The singular being the form listed in dictionary. The vast majority of nouns are variable in this way, and normally the plural s suffix is fully predictable both in sound and spelling by the same rule as for the inflection of vowels. Spelling creates numerous exceptions, however. يعني treatment of why هذه يعني concerning the treatment and up to this point احنا وين بالvariable بالregular plural. Now up to this point we are within the regular plural and now just adding s or es طبعا considering or putting in mind the different forms of or different change that can be happened or can be happened within the spelling or the morphology of the noun itself, like a treatment of y, regular spy, spies. There are nouns in y in which to which s is added. Now the proper nouns. By spy, say what? Singular form. When I want to change to plural, say what? es. I change the y to I, then I add es. But here, if the final y ain't what or is preceded by a consonant, if it is preceded by a consonant with a proper noun, but we have exceptions. See, though this y ends with consonant, like the candies, the two Germanys, تبقى نفسها ما تغيرت to I. After a vowel, days, boys, there is no change for y to I. In a few other words such as standbys. هذا طبعا it is not a word, by the way, it is not a noun, sorry, just like a compound, as we are going to see later. Again, nouns of unusual forms, sometimes pluralizing s. You say comma, so this is apostrophe, هذا الكما والs. What do you mean by unusual form? And they are not normal nouns, like letter names. Dot your eyes. يعني شلون eyes هذه I. It is the plural of letters when spoken, by the way. Talking about spoken, something is spoken. Numeral, just when I want to pluralize the numbers, the written numbers, you say what? The number themselves, numbers of year, كذا, I will add the apostrophe plus the s apostrophe. Abbreviations, 2 MPs, see, هذا s, it is not s possessive, it is s plural. Nouns in O have a plural in OS, with some exceptions having either optional or obligatory OES. Like plurals, these nouns take either S or ES when changed to plural. Say what? Archipelago. Now, if I want to change to plural, either I add only S or ES. Banjo, either S or ES. Bifallo, either S or ES. Cargo, again. Commando, flamingo, halo, moto, tornado, volcano. Here, plurals only with ES. Eco, only ES. Embargo, hero, negro, potato, tomato, torpedo, veto. All these nouns, when I want to change to plural, I will add ES. Again, I have the compound nouns. Jill compound next year by Godswell. Yes.